We live in a time when it's hard to tell what's real and what's not.
Deepfakes are everywhere, fooling our eyes, tricking our ears, and reshaping reality. They amaze us, entertain us, and sometimes even put us at risk. But how does deepfake technology work, and what makes these fakes so convincing and dangerous? In this video, we'll break it all down. Deepfake technology is a type of AI used to create highly realistic fake images, videos, and audio. The term combines deep learning and fake to describe both the technology and the content it produces. How does deepfake technology work? Deepfake technology uses advanced machine learning, especially a method called Generative Adversarial Networks, or GAN. GAN consists of two neural networks. Generator creates fake images, videos, or audio based on real data. Discriminator checks whether the generated content looks real or fake and gives feedback. The generator improves by trying to fool the discriminator, and this process keeps repeating until the fake content is nearly identical to the real thing. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine a painter creating fake portraits and a critic judging if they look real. The painter keeps improving based on the critic's feedback until the portraits look almost identical to real ones. This is how GAN worked to create deepfakes. How are deepfakes created? Creating a deepfake typically involves these three steps. Collect a video or image of the person you want to mimic. Extract details like their facial expressions, movements, and features. Integrate these details into the target video or image, adjusting the lighting, texture, and shadows to make it look realistic. What technologies are used in deepfakes? Deepfake creation relies on several advanced technologies to enhance realism, including face replacement to swap faces in videos, seamlessly blending facial features, lighting, and skin texture, facial expression manipulation to adjust emotions and make them appear more natural, face synthesis to generate realistic faces from a few images or create entirely new ones, speech synthesis to produce lifelike speech that matches lip movements and tone, eye and lip syncing to align movements accurately with audio, 3D modeling to simulate depth and angles for precise facial movements, emotion transfer to replicate emotional cues from one face to another, body movement synthesis to replicate or alter body movements alongside facial features. These technologies work together to create deepfakes that are increasingly difficult to distinguish from real media. What are some of the most notable examples of deepfakes? You've probably come across some deepfakes that made you stop and think. For instance, recently, the world was talking about Pope Francis in a Balenciaga jacket, Eminem's jaw-dropping VMA performance where he rapped alongside his alter ego Slim Shady, Jim Carrey as Jack Nicholson in The Shining, a hilarious deepfake twist on the classic film.
Whenever you come in here and interrupt me, you're breaking my concentration. You're distracting.
The deepfake of President Zelensky urging his forces to surrender in 2022.
Українці, шановні захисники.
Taylor Swift giving Le Cruci cookware to her loyal fans for free.
Hey y'all, it's Taylor Swift here. Due to a packaging error, we can't sell 3,000 Le Creuset.
Perhaps the most shocking incident occurred in February 2024 when a Hong Kong-based finance worker at a multinational firm was tricked into transferring $25 million to fraudsters using deepfake technology. The scam began when the worker received a suspicious email about a secret transaction. Although initially cautious, his doubts faded when he joined the video call and saw what appeared to be his CFO and coworkers. Believing the call was legitimate, he followed the fake CFO instructions and transferred the money in 15 separate payments to various bank accounts. Can you spot a deepfake? To spot a deepfake, pay attention to small details that seem odd, such as blinking patterns, too much or too little, mismatched features such as odd eyes or incorrect fingers, skin inconsistencies, too smooth, too wrinkled, or age mismatch with hair, context clues like weather, time, or location not matching the claims, glitches or distortions, especially around the face, stiff, cartoon-like movements or robotic voices.
All about two things, okay? Algorithms and data.
You can also use tools like reverse image search or deepfake detection software to verify authenticity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will help you make the most of technology.